Где-то в Богомолове упадет. Ага.
During a missile attack against Ukraine, a Tu-22 M3 Backfire strategic bomber with the Russian aerospace forces reportedly crashed in the Stavropol Krai region of southwestern Russia following a technical malfunction. Russian sources are claiming that both of the pilots were able to successfully eject and were transported to the hospital in moderate condition. The Ukrainian Air Force is claiming responsibility for the shoot-down and crash of a Russian Tu-22 M3 Backfire strategic bomber over the Stavropol Krai region of southwestern Russia, which is roughly 400 miles from the Ukrainian front line, so it's not clear how did they do it.
Где-то в Богомолове упадет. Ага.
January 2024. Putin said there was no way Russian air defense would be able to shoot down its own aircraft.
Наши системы ПВО по своему самолету по определению наносить удар не могут. Там стоят системы свой-чужой, и сколько оператор на кнопку бы не нажимал, наша система ПВО не сработали бы. Техника.
If this was a friendly fire, the Tu-22 M3 that crashed and the Su-34 shot down near Sevastopol on March 28th would strongly disagree, if they could. On the other side, GUR spokesman Andrei Yusov said that, for the first time, we were able to destroy such an aircraft. But even better, another plane that followed it was forced to turn around. This means that a number of missiles were not fired at Ukraine. The operation was a true success, Yusov said.
Результативна операція, знищено.
Warthog Defense reported that in the Republic of Dagestan, local traffic officers attempted to detain Alekhan Sakayev, the Minister of Emergency Situations of Chechnya, and a Major General of the Internal Service, who purportedly disregarded a police officer's signal at a checkpoint and even attempted to run down another officer before being forcibly stopped. Additionally, the driver was found to be heavily intoxicated. But later, a Chechen group forcibly removed the detainee, evidently overstepping official authority and threatening police officers on duty with murder. Ramzan Kadyrov commented on this incident, stating that a group of individuals attempted to detain Sakayev without justification, despite him not violating any rules, as he was off duty and without official documents or uniform. It appears to be a targeted provocation against Sakayev. The attackers fled upon realizing Sakayev's status as a decorated general, with numerous military honors and achievements. Russian channels are expressing their concern over this reaction, but as usual, they're powerless. Russia is not a functional state. In the Avdiivka area, the AFU, or rather its 47th Brigade, recaptured the center of the town of Berdichi from the Russians. This was a small success, but the Russians suffered heavy losses. All the men died for nothing. Video of Russian Su-25 attack aircraft operating close to Chasiv Yar, a clear sign of a lack of Ukrainian air defense ammunition. Russian soldier, before and after the meeting with the Ukrainian armed forces. After shrapnel wounds, a hip fracture, the lung was removed, the arm will be amputated. Everything is fine. I'll recover. I'll come back, the occupier says in the second half of the video. A short story of a mercenary from the Wagner PMC who signed a contract with the Ministry of Defense of the Russian Federation for 5 years and became a cripple in Ukraine. Solovyov and his colleague are similarly taken aback by Mike Johnson's abrupt shift in stance. Nevertheless, there is little they can do besides once again calling it a declaration of war to calm the domestic audience.
Но ведь совсем недавно, несколько месяцев назад, Джонсон был избран спикером Палаты представителей, лидером республиканцев, потому что он все это отрицал. Он говорил, что он будет отстаивать более узко очерченные американские национальные интересы, что в области безопасности главный интерес – это обеспечить, если хотите, надежную защиту американской границы с Мексикой. И вдруг вот такой поворот. Я думаю, что мы имеем дело с политическим хамелеоном, который не имел настоящих убеждений. Все его предыдущие голосования в Палате представителей, когда он был рядовым конгрессменом, были именно в этом направлении узкой трактовки американских национальных интересов. А сейчас понятно, вот какова американская демократия, таков и спикер. Можно сказать избирателю абсолютно все, что угодно. Можно полностью ввести его в заблуждение относительно своих намерений, а потом говорить, мы защищаем демократию. Вот так.
Но то, что он сказал, по большому счету, звучит как объявление войны. Так же, как идея заморозить наши активы, попытка отобрать. И, конечно, все то, что он заявлял, но ощущение, что откуда он это взял? То есть они живут в каком-то своем очень странном представлении о жизни, о реалиях. Ну, что им не мешает.
Откуда он это взял, Владимир Рудольфович, мы знаем точно. Это стандартная пропаганда американских глобалистов. Это то, что говорят республиканцы, главы соответствующих комитетов в Палате представителей по международным делам, по обороне, по разведке и так далее. Только это не то крыло партии, с которым он ассоциировал себя до последнего времени.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.